What's up, tech enthusiasts and on-the-go adventurers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking tech, and I'm talking tech that you must have. And I'm talking about the INUI P63 Cougar power bank. Now, we all know the frustration of that dreaded low battery warning, especially when you're relying on your phone, laptop, or even your little one's tablet. That is where a reliable power bank becomes your best friend. And the INUI power bank has been making waves with their dependable charging solution. So let's go ahead and see if the P63 power bank lives up to the hype. What we have is a power bank that may be small in size, but the results are huge and ready to tackle whatever power problems life throws your way. This power bank is a 25,000 milliamp powerhouse that fits right in the palm of your hand. And it comes with a 100 watt USB-C charge port that can take you from zero to hero at lightning speed. This P63 can tackle even bigger problems. You got multiple problems and multiple devices, we've got you covered. Because this power bank has multiple ports, including a powerful 45 watt USB-C port and an 18 watt USB-A port, ready to charge them all. And forget the guesswork of vague light bars. This power bank features a slick LED screen that clearly shows you how much power you have remaining, so you always know exactly where you stand. And if you're like me and you forget your cable, you're gonna love this. This power bank's durable strap doubles as a power cable, ensuring you will always have what you need. Snaps in and out, ensuring that you will never forget it. And this device can go anywhere with you, and I mean anywhere. Even those pesky airline rules allow this high flyer to board your flight. So whether you're on the ground, among the seas, or in the skies, this power bank is going to be by your side no matter where life takes you. Click the link in the description below and get yours today. Hop in the comments and tell me where this power bank is lighting your way. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and until next time, thank you.